Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Hyperrealistic, aerial view of a modern, luxury home nestled in a hillside forest setting. Dark teal/slate roof, light orange/brown wooden siding. Large windows with warm interior light illuminating the home. Outdoor patio area with a tan/gray stone patio, outdoor furniture, fire pit, and landscaping with lush greenery. Dark green/brown trees and shrubs densely surround the home, creating a secluded atmosphere. Soft, ambient light suggests an evening or twilight scene, with subtle color variations in the sky and foliage. Wooden decks and balconies extend from the main house. Modern design elements are evident in outdoor and indoor architecture. Stylish outdoor furniture completes the look. Modern, luxury, contemporary home, hyper-realistic, evening light, large windows, dark gray and brown exterior, stone accents, wooden porch, glass doors, lush green landscaping, trees, outdoor seating area, light from windows illuminating the interior, paved walkway, garage door, wooden pillars, warm light, patio furniture, lots of natural light, exterior lighting, calm and peaceful atmosphere, detailed landscaping with various plants. A modern, contemporary-style cabin nestled within a wooded area. Hyper-realistic, a cozy, secluded home in autumn. Muted grays and dark charcoal tones for the exterior siding, roof, and window frames. The light of a fall afternoon gently illuminates the stone fireplace and dark windows on the home's extension, creating an inviting interior glow. The garden and yard feature a mix of autumnal foliage and fallen leaves on the grassy lawn. Lush, changing autumn foliage, in warm browns, oranges, and yellows, surrounds the home, creating a beautiful contrast to the crisp grays and blacks. Dark-toned wooden furniture on the deck. Modern farmhouse living room, hyper-realistic, open concept, beige and light wood tones, large windows with views of a lush green backyard, sliding glass doors, exposed wooden beams, ceiling fan, sectional couch with light beige upholstery and brown throw pillows, a round coffee table, a dining area with a dark wood table and chairs, kitchen with light-colored cabinets, open shelving, stylish pendant lighting, hardwood floors. A wood-burning fireplace, warm ambient light, natural light. Boho-style armchairs with patterned throws, neutral color palette with pops of brown and beige, a TV mounted on the wall, impressionist atmosphere. Small, light gray cottage in a lush forest setting. Hyper-realistic, a charming, white clapboard house with a dark gray metal roof. Sun-drenched daytime scene. The cottage has a simple porch with black rocking chairs and potted plants, visible stone walkway leading to the entrance. Dark green trees form a backdrop, partially obscuring the sky. Muted greens and browns in the forest. Soft, warm lighting suggests the late afternoon light. Grassy yard surrounds the cottage. Detailed wooden siding and window frames. Simple, unadorned design. Modern, Hyperrealistic cabin, forest setting, dark gray/black exterior, large windows with warm interior light, wooden deck, stone and moss ground cover, pine trees, calm evening light, furniture visible through windows, dark wicker chairs and light-colored cushions, fireplace, natural materials, grounded, spacious layout, minimalist design, slightly elevated deck, natural light accents. A bright, airy, modern cabin interior, hyperrealistic. Large, triangular windows frame a lush forest scene, flooding the room with natural light. Pale, grayish-white walls with vertical paneling create a calming backdrop. A mustard yellow couch, accented with patterned throw pillows, sits in the center of the open-plan living space, adjacent to a dark wood dining table. The kitchen, with its dark gray countertops and muted gray cabinets, flows seamlessly into the living area. A dark metal ceiling fan hangs from the high-beamed ceiling. The visible floor is a light brown wood plank. Dark gray floor-to-ceiling bifold doors open onto a patio. A cozy, light-filled living area. Open plan, light beige/cream colored walls with horizontal wooden paneling. Large windows overlooking a tree-filled garden. Light gray sectional sofa with neutral throw pillows. Light-colored wooden coffee table with a book resting on it, and a small potted plant. A light-colored TV stand with a flat-screen TV. Potted green plants throughout the room. 2 hanging pendant lights with woven/wicker-like shades. A light gray-green refrigerator. Hyper-realistic, but with a slightly soft focus, to emphasize the natural light in the scene. Warm, neutral colors dominate, with pops of natural green from plants. Cozy living room, warm light, hyper-realistic, large windows with sheer curtains, wooden floors, a warm, inviting fireplace with a crackling fire, a vintage-style wooden coffee table with a vase of flowers, a throw rug, a dark blue couch with light beige/tan throws and pillows, natural wood furniture, plants, a wicker basket, and a view of a garden through the open French doors. Muted, earthy tones, like browns, tans, creams, and hints of greens. Sunlight streaming in, impressionistic-style lighting on the walls and furniture. A cozy, dark wooden cabin nestled deep within a lush green forest. Hyper-realistic, impressionistic, evening light. Dark, rich, almost black wood siding on the cabin, with visible wood grain. A muted, slate blue, almost gray blue, shingled roof. Warm, golden/orange light emanating from windows, showcasing the interior. Visible details of wooden trim and possibly decorative elements. Rustic wooden deck, dark brown or gray brown, extends from the cabin. Several plants and trees of various shades of green surround the cabin. Rocks or stones form a pathway leading to the house. Gentle lighting, highlighting the textures of the wood and plants. Modern house, minimalist, hyper-realistic, large windows, light brown wooden patio furniture, gray outdoor furniture, lush green lawn, dark brown/black exterior, glass walls/sliding glass doors opening to a patio with a view of lush greenery, sunlight, trees, wood, stone patio, mid-century modern, brown and dark gray colors, natural light, patio furniture arranged comfortably, open floor plan, wooden beams, a chimney, foliage, tranquil, peaceful, exterior, daytime. A charming, light blue-gray cottage nestled within a lush garden. Hyperrealistic style. Front porch with white wooden railings, small windows, and a simple white door. The house is nestled amid a profusion of vibrant, overgrown greenery, with patches of periwinkle and lavender blue flowers. A well-worn stone pathway leads toward the front door, bordered by various foliage, including prominent green leaves and plants and flowers. Natural light falls gently onto the scene, illuminating the textures of the plants and stone. The colors are predominantly greens, blues, purples and whites, with subtle shades of brown in the stonework. Photorealistic, tropical modern house, lush greenery, a bedroom with a large bed, patio, wooden deck. Sun-drenched, muted greens and browns, lots of tropical plants, palm trees, ferns, and other foliage. A contemporary design with clean lines, modern architecture. Natural light, bed with white sheets. Dark wood accents on the interior walls and the deck. Stepped stone pathway leading to the house. A dark gray/charcoal colored beanbag chair on the deck. Green roof. Realistic lighting, detailed textures.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:/DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.